Let's continue our LeetCode 75 series where we have solved a question of linked list, which is delete the middle node of linked list, odd even linked list, reverse linked list, and max. And now we have to solve one more question of a linked list, which is maximum twin sum of a linked list. Okay. So what this question is telling, there is given a list node head and the linked list of n size, and n is always a even, okay, even size. The twin is defined as the n minus I, n minus 1 minus ith, okay, and the I should be lie between 0 to n by 2 minus 1, okay. For example, if n equals to 4, the node 0 is n minus 1 minus 0, okay, so which is 3. So the twin node of 0 is 3, okay, and the twin node of 1 is 2. So you just have to find the twin sum. Twin sum basically the sum of node. And then you just have to return the maximum twin sum of a linked list, okay. So let's understand. Here is given a 1, 2, 3, 4. So these two nodes are twin sum. These two nodes are twin, okay. So what is the sum? The sum of first twin is 5. 1 plus 4, 1 plus 4 equals to 5, okay, and 2 plus 3 equals to 5. So both the having of twin sum is 5, so you just have to return 5, okay. In the same way, if there is 4, 2, 2, 3, okay, this is the linked list. This is the linked list. You just have to take the sum of 4 and 3 and 2 and 4, okay. So what is the sum of 4 and 3 is 7, and 2 plus 2 equals to 4, okay. So what is the maximum? So you just have to return the maximum of 7 and 4, you will get 7, okay. I hope you understand that what this question is telling. First you have to find the twin, and then after that you just have to find the sum, and afterwards you just have to return the maximum sum of a twin. So let's do this. First you have to create a linked list node slow and fast, okay. List node slow equals to head list node star fast equals to head, okay. You just have to do this, and then again you have to create a stack int st, and then check while fast is not equals to null, and add fast ka next is not equals to null. Then you just have to do st dot push slow ka well, okay. You just have to do this, and after this you just have to do slow equals to slow next, okay. And fast will move 2 times faster. Fast equals to fast ka next, okay. You just have to do this. After this loop you just have to create a int answer which is initially 0, and you just have to create a while loop which will check that slow is not equals to null, slow is not equals to nil, answer equals to max, answer comma slow comma val plus st dot top and st dot pop. Okay, you just have to do st dot pop, and after this you just have to move the slow equals to sloka next, slow equals to sloka next. Okay, you just have to move this, and after this you just have to return the answer. So I hope you understand this code. So let's run this. Yeah, this code works fine. This code works fine. Let's submit this. This has been accepted. Thanks for watching.